real change happens when people who have knowledge and can apply it can work effectively. And so those are people like researchers and scientists and scholars. And the problem that they're facing right now is a problem with search, because there's a huge amount of information. There are many scholars, many devoted people putting their information out there, but simply searching for it isn't enough anymore. There's a huge amount of search results. We need tools that can help these people have their ideas faster. And so that's what gets me really excited. I mean, my father's an entrepreneur, and he used to be a scientist, and he used to get frustrated. He'd come back from conferences and tell me, you know, Aditi, you should do something about this. You know, you should come back and build a tool that can help me discover a new area or help me explore a new area. And that always stayed with me and inspired me. And that's mostly, you know, I do it to make him kind of proud. Anyway, so what I do specifically is, of course, in research, you always have to focus on one specific problem. And we focused on the area of digging into text and using it as data, which is a mode of inquiry that's common to journalists and lawyers and scientists, and also to literary scholars. And they ask these particularly difficult questions of text. And so we took that as a challenge. And so we're working with them to explore what natural language processing and just artificial intelligence and that kind of more advanced technology can bring to the field and help them speed up or make their conclusions more reliable, their process faster, and their results more believable. And so we developed WordSeer, which analyzes the grammatical structure of text and makes it easier not only to ask the exact question that you meant to ask, but to get a sense for whether the results are representative or accurate, kind of build intuition. And we think that's really valuable, and that tools like that really should exist more to help out scientists and researchers do their job better. And so in the future, I think that this sort of technology probably will become really, really popular. I think it's probably happening already with Google Books, because they're collecting a huge amount of information that's basically only of interest to people who are digging into it. And they recently gave out a lot of money to the humanities to develop technology around this, to use all this information quantitatively, convincingly. And so I think that that's where the future lies, especially with regard to this problem, at least. That's where the future lies. And that's what we'll see happening in this space, like tools to help researchers and scientists do their job better and faster.